Today we have Cooking with Mrs Caruso, Mrs Gibson's twin sister. We are making banana bread, but in little banana bread cupcakes. These are some of the things you'll need, but we're going to add a few extra things to make it even yummier. Some walnuts. Here is some olive oil, some milk. You'll need the eggs, a banana, some yummy choc chips, and some spray for the cupcake pan. Wooden spoon, a fork, some measuring bits and pieces to measure your things with. To keep you safe, some oven mitts and a bowl to mix the things in, and definitely adult supervision here with your knife, a cooling rack, and of course the little cupcake tray. And now a sped up version of what it's going to look like. Mushing up the banana, chopping up those walnuts and adding them to the bowl. Mixture, eggs, milk and oil. Mixture into the pan, and then of course the choc chips to finish. Yum, look at that. Onto the cooling rack and ready to eat.